Hey gang, Amy Harber here. Another Tomboy beauty unboxing video. That's all the cool places you can find me. Oh my gosh, this is the January 2021 Birchbox and it is insane. Like, I'm talking collector's item insane. Holy crap. I mean, you can tell just by looking at it, it's off the chain. So let's just skip to the chase, stop drooling over it, and talk about what's inside the box. Okay, 2021 Birchbox. Look at that. You're getting the reflection of my ring light. Why? Because this is a cool collector's like plastic box. Like, it is a keeper. I mean, it's a little hard to open up, but and it had this cool like holographic paper, which I'm definitely going to keep and find a project, maybe another like background or something for my unboxing photos. But it's just so cool. Of course, we have the card. We have some skincare tips on the back here. I'm not going to read them all, but there is one that involves this. Now, you may be wondering what this is. It is called, and I'll probably pronounce it wrong, a gua sha. Yes. It is an ancient beauty tool that helps lift and contour your face, relieve facial and jaw tension, like if you've got some TMJ, and it promotes a brighter complexion through lymphatic drainage. So they give you a link for how to use it and all, but basically like a jade roller, which they've also given away in, I believe it was the November, but like if you take that right there, if you get TMJ, I highly recommend. But yeah, one of the skin tips is to give yourself a 30-second massage with it. I may not have to get Botox on my TMJ after all. Holy crap. Okay, then we've got some beauty protector. Protect and volume for when, you know, you heat dry your hair, use heating products, but it also protects against sun damage. The sun's starting to come out again. Spring's about to sprung. And yeah, the sun will damage your hair. Then we have Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. You know what's cool about a sleep mask? You put it on your face and you go to sleep and you wake up with beautiful skin. That's what's great about that. You don't have to worry about peeling it off, washing it off, letting it get all hard on your face. You just put it on your face and drift off to dreamland, courtesy of Mr. Sandman. That's what I love. It's good for treating dull skin. Can't wait to try it. Then I would love to say that we have the Lise Watier Magnifique Makeup Setting Spray with white tea. However, it was like this in my box, which means that this little like foamy pad inside my box has all of my makeup setting spray. It smells nice, I can tell you that, but womp womp womp. Or like that TikTok, oh no, oh no, 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 oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Yeah, so much for that. Final product, Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek Compact. Open so I can show you what color. Usually I already have these open. If you're my orthodontist, please, and watching this video, please don't leave a comment how I'm destroying my teeth. Crap! Anyway, it's a pretty little pink color, if I can get it open. Scissors! The things that happen when I make videos. This is why I do them raw and improvised and I don't edit. Why? So that you can get these highly comedic moments. Okay, the color's Rendezvous, which it is like a rendezvous trying to get the hell open. Oh, wow, it's undone and it still doesn't want to come open. What is wrong with you? There we go. Ah! Anyway, you can put it on your cheeks. I'm going to blend it. Probably blend it with a brush. There we go. Oh, but it's double duty. So, I know it says it's double duty. It seems like you have to use a lot for it to show up on your lips. Anyway, that's everything in my box. Check it out there. Make sure you hit subscribe, watch another video, hit the notification so you know when I go live. And until next time, stay beautiful.